Hello friends, welcome to DP Studio. Today I'll show you a new microphone comparison video. The microphones are Shure Sm57 and Shure Pga57. Both of the microphones are very good and using on drums and guitar cab. Shure Sm57 is a very good microphone and legendary microphone on drums and guitar cab. I am testing both of the microphones on snare drum and let's see which one is better. The both of the microphone sounds are very good and punchy sound on snare drum, and I am liking the both of the microphone. Which microphone you like, please comment down below. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and obviously subscribe for the new updates. Thank you.